Right there. So all those other deck boards are coming into here, and you can see there's nothing for them to sit on here.
Artistic landscaping will bring your beautiful dreams to life.
This is a square. I'm squaring lines down so that when we put our blocking in here, it's going to secure these things from moving. If you want to look down here, see how that moves? It's going to make the deck all one piece. It's going to stop it from being able to sag. It's going to solidify the deck a lot. And this is just to keep them nice and square and looking pretty while we're putting them on. Makes it a lot easier to put on. We don't have to think about it then. Right there. So all those other deck boards are coming into here, and you can see there's nothing for them to sit on here. So if you step there, they would just fall down. So we're actually going to put a piece of wood in between here to give it some support. When we actually start doing the deck boards, we're actually going to go off of this angle of the house. So no matter what that over there looks like right now, it will be parallel to this edge of the house, guaranteed when we're done. Because once we start bringing our deck boards over there, we can figure out exactly the space we need then to have our 3/4 of an inch overhang past our fascia around the whole deck when we're said and done.